Hey there, Brian here from Auto Repair. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling some of the most common mistakes people make with their car tires. Mistakes that could cost you big time. So let's dive in and make sure you taking care of those tires the right way. Mistake 1. Ignoring tire age. First up, ignoring the age of your tires. Now, I get it, they might look brand new, but the rubber wears down over time. Tires have a shelf life, and after 6 years, they start losing their grip, even if the tread looks good. Over 10 years? Don't even think about it. Replace them. It's all about safety. Most blowouts happen because of aging tires. Check the DOT code on your tire's sidewall. Those last 4 digits? That's the week and year your tire was made. Keep an eye on it. Mistake 2. Skipping tire rotations. Next, skipping tire rotations. This is a big one. Front tires wear differently than the back ones. If you're not rotating them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, you're literally throwing money away. I've seen customers with one set of bald tires and another set looking perfect. Don't let that happen. Rotating your tires evenly distributes wear, making them last longer. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Mistake 3. Not having a portable tire inflator. Moving on. Don't wait until you stranded on the side of the road. A portable tire inflator is a total game changer. Sure, you might have a spare tire or roadside assistance, but an inflator gets you back on the road quickly without the mess and stress of changing a tire. It's quick, easy, and could save you a lot of hassle. Keep one in your trunk, just in case. Mistake 4. Ignoring alignment issues. Alignment problems? They're often ignored, but if your car pulls to one side or your steering wheel's off-center, it's time for an alignment check. Bad alignment wears out your tires fast and causes uneven wear. Plus, it can lead to poor handling. Get it checked and keep your ride smooth and safe. Mistake 5. Incorrect tire pressure. Next, tire pressure. Over or underinflating your tires is dangerous. Underinflated tires waste gas and wear unevenly, while overinflated ones give you a rough ride. Here's a simple fix. Check your tire pressure every month and always before long trips. A simple tire pressure gauge will do wonders. Taking care of your tires isn't just about safety. It's about saving money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Repair for more tips. Catch you next time.